Good morning, student. Today we will discuss the topic 14.10 more about logic gate. We have covered three basic gate, not, or, and AND. But there are some more logic gate also which are derived from the basic gates and, or not. These gate are NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR gate. अभी तक हमने तीन बेसिक गेट को पढ़ा है जिसके अंदर हमने पढ़ा नॉट और एंड। इन तीनों गेट से नए गेट बनते हैं जिनको क्या कहा जाता है, नोर, नैंड, एक्सोर, एक्सनोर। तो लेट अस डिस्कस 14.10.1 नोर गेट। द नोर गेट हैज़ टू और मोर इनपुट सिग्नल बट ओनली वन आउटपुट सिग्नल। नोर गेट के अंदर दो या दो से ज़्यादा इनपुट सिग्नल हो सकते हैं पर आउटपुट के अंदर सिर्फ एक ही सिग्नल आएगा। NOR gate means OR plus NOT. NOR gate is the combination of OR plus NOT. The logical diagram of NOR gate is OR input is X and Y, so output is X plus Y. Then apply the NOT gate, that is the complement of X plus Y. So we can say function equal to X plus Y complement. The truth table of NOR gate is X and Y, two variable 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then X plus Y equal to 0 1 1 1. The output is complement of this, so 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0. Or we can say if all input are low signal, then NOR output is high signal. That is, if X and Y are 0, then only one function value is 1, that is the output is 1. So we again repeat NOR gate. NOR gate is the combination of OR plus NOT. The output is only 1 when the both input is low, that is the 0. Otherwise the output is 0. Next is the NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of AND plus NOT. NAND gate also has the two or more input signal but only one output signal. The logical gate AND X and Y are the input, so output is X dot Y. AND mean multiplication. Then we apply the NOT operator. The function complement this X dot Y complement. The NAND gate truth table is X and Y are the two variable, then combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. X dot Y equal to 0 0 0 0 1. Then function is the complement of this. Then 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1, 0 complement 1 and 1 complement 0. So according to this output we can say if both input are high, then NAND output will be low. Both input are high means 1 and 1. So output is 0, otherwise output is 1. The XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. The XOR gate can have two or more input but produce one output signal. Exclusive OR gate is different from the OR gate. The most important point is XOR is different from the OR. OR gate produce output 1 for any input combination having one or more ones. But XOR produce output 1 only those input where combination have odd number of 1. For example, if we have the truth table of two variable X and Y 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then X or Y 0 1 1 0. But in case of OR operator, the last value 0 should be 1. So there is a difference between XOR and OR. If we have odd number of 1, then output is 1. That is the difference between XOR and OR. I repeat, exclusive OR gate different from the OR gate. OR gate produce output 1 for any input combination having 1. For example, if this output should be 1, this output should be 1, and both input is 1, so output should be 1 in case of OR operator. But in case of XOR operator, it should be 0. And last is the XNOR. XNOR gate produce the output 1 only those input combination that have the even number of 1. In case of XOR, the odd combination, but in case of XNOR, when the combination is even, then output is 1, or when the combination of is odd, that output is the 0. This is the difference between XOR and XNOR. The rest of part we will discuss later.